Welcome back, students. Let me do some more important problems. Integration dx by sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. Multiply both n and d by sec to the power 4x. Then this becomes sin to the power 4x plus 1. And then write it as sec to the power 4 is sec square x into sec square x. The first sec square x is written as 1 plus tan square x. Then sec square x dx divided by tan to the power 4x plus 1. Now let tan x equals z, that gives sec square x dx is dz. So we get 1 plus z square dz by z to the power 4 plus 1. Now divide both n and d by z square. We get we get 1 plus 1 by z square by z square plus 1 by z square then dz. Now numerator can be written as d of z minus 1 by z, and this can be written as z minus 1 by z whole square plus root 2 whole square. So this will be 1 by root 2 tan inverse of z minus 1 by z by root 2 plus c. 1 by root 2 tan inverse of z square minus 1 root 2 times z plus c. What was our z? Our z was tan x. So our answer will be 1 by root 2 tan inverse of tan square x minus 1 by root 2 times tan x plus c. This will be our answer. Next question. Integration dx by sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. Multiply both n and d by sec to the power 6x. So we get sec to the power 6x dx tan to the power 6x plus 1. Now this sec to the power 6 is sec to the power 4 into sec square. So sec to the power 4 is 1 plus tan square whole square into sec square x dx by tan to the power 6x plus 1. Now put tan x equals to z. Sec square x dx is dz. So the integral becomes 1 plus z square whole square dz by z to the power 6 plus 1. Plus z square whole square by z to the power 6 plus 1 can be thought of as z square whole cube plus 1 cube. So we can write z square plus 1 into z to the power 4 minus z square plus 1 then dz. So 1 plus z square is cancelled. So we get z square plus 1 dz by z to the power 4 minus z square plus 1. Now divide both n and d by z square, we get 1 by 1 plus z square dz by z square plus 1 by z square minus 1. Now the numerator can be written as d of z minus 1 by z. This can be written as z minus 1 by z plus 2 minus 1, that is plus 1 square. So this is tan inverse of z minus 1 by z. So what was our z? Our z was tan x. So very simple, its answer will be tan inverse of tan x minus cot x. Next question. These are all very important questions and it comes in higher marks, that is 4 marks or 5 marks, as applicable for the respective board exams. This question is very important question, star marked. X to the power 4 plus 1 dx by x to the power 6 plus 1. This can be written as x square plus 1 whole square minus 2x square. This can be written as x square plus 1 into x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 then dx. So splitting from here we get x square plus 1 dx by x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 and then minus 2x square by x square. Now this part I am writing again the previous one, that is x over 6 plus 1 dx. Now this part I am dividing both n and d by x square, so we get 1 plus 1 by x square dx. Here we get x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 and here I am writing 2 by 3 3x square, that is d of x cube, and here I am writing 1 plus x cube whole square. Okay. The numerator can be written as d of x minus 1 by x by, here it is x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 minus 1, that is plus 1 square. And this is ready. 2 by 3 integration d of x cube 1 plus x cube whole square. So this is tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 by 3 tan inverse of x cube. Let's see. Good question. Next question. These are very important questions, frequently appear in exam papers of different boards. Integration x cube dx by x to the power 16 plus 4. This is I. Let x to the power 4 is z. So 4x cube dx is dz. So x cube dz is 1 by 4 dz. So this will be 1 by 4 integration dz by z to the power 4 plus 4. I have done this. What to do? Divide both n and d by z square. 1 by z square dz, z square by 4 by z square. Z plus 2 by z, its derivative is 1 minus 2 by z square. Okay. So we have to write here first I am writing 1 by 16, no 16, 4 by z square z square by 4 by z square dz. Next step, 1 by 16 integration, instead of writing this I am writing this 1 plus 2 by z square minus 1 minus 2 by z square. 1 cancel, 4 by z square, okay, by z square plus 4 by z square then dz. Now 1 by 16 integration 1 plus 2 by z square dz by z square plus 4 by z square minus 1 by 16 integration 1 minus 2 by z square dz by z square by 4 by z square. 1 by 16 integration d of z minus 2 by z, and here I am writing z minus 2 by z whole square plus 4, that is plus 2 square, and here 1 by 16 d of z plus 2 by z, and here I am writing z plus 2 by z whole square minus 4, that is minus 2 square. Now they are ready for integration. So here answer will be 1 by 16, I am taking common. This will be 1 by a tan inverse of this minus, this will be 1 by 2a ln of mod of z plus 2 by z minus 2 z plus 2 by z plus 2, that bracket close, plus c. Now our final answer will be 1 by 16 third bracket half tan inverse of z square minus 2 by 2z, z square minus 2 by 2z minus 1 by 4 ln of mod of z square minus 2z plus 2 by z square plus 2z plus 2 bracket close plus c. Now we have to substitute z. 1 by 16 half tan inverse. What was z? Z was our x to the power 4. X to the power 4. So this will be x to the power 8 minus 2 by 2x to the power 4 minus 1 by 4 ln of mod of x to the power 8 minus 2 x to the power 4 plus 2 x to the power 8 plus 2 x to the power 4 plus 2 third bracket close plus c. This is the final answer. Let me check this. 132 10 inverse of this 1/64. Okay. Next problem. These are all very very important questions that you have to practice several times at your home to perform better in your exam. Integration x square minus 1 dx by x square plus 1 under root x to the power 4 plus 1. This is I. Divide both n and d by x square, we get 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Here we get, divide this by x, so x plus 1 by x, and another x when enters root over sign becomes x square, so this becomes this. Okay. Now this is d of x plus 1 by x root over of x plus 1 by x minus root 2 square. Now to recall the formula, I am taking let x plus 1 by x equals z. So this becomes dz by z root over of z square minus root 2 square. This will be sec inverse of z by a, that is sec inverse of z by root 2 plus c. So your final answer will be sec inverse of z was x plus 1 by x by root 2 plus c. Next question. Let me have a break. After a short break, I am coming with more problems. Okay. Till then, be there.